What is the purpose of the ADT Alarm Reset Button?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into the world of home security, specifically focusing on the ADT alarm system and one of its key features, the reset button. This small yet mighty button has a crucial role in maintaining the security of your home.
What is the ADT alarm system?
Before we delve into the specifics of the reset button, it's important to understand what the ADT alarm system is. The ADT alarm system is a popular home security system that provides comprehensive protection for your home. It includes a variety of features like door and window sensors, motion detectors, and, of course, the alarm reset button.
What is the purpose of the ADT Alarm Reset Button?
The reset button on your ADT alarm system serves an essential function. When you press the reset button, it resets your alarm system. This means that it clears all the memory and returns the system to its default state. The reset button can be used in a number of scenarios, including after a power outage, if there are technical issues, or if the alarm has been triggered and needs to be reset. Key point: the reset button is a tool that allows you to quickly restore your ADT alarm system to its original settings, clearing any errors or alerts and ensuring it's ready to protect your home once again.
When should I use the ADT Alarm Reset Button?
You may need to use the reset button in a few different scenarios. These include, after a power outage. Power outages can disrupt your ADT system's operation. Once power is restored, resetting the system can help it get back to its regular monitoring routine. In case of technical issues, if your system is behaving abnormally, such as displaying error messages or false alarms, a reset can often resolve these issues. After an alarm has been triggered, once you've ensured that your home is safe and there's no ongoing threat, you'll need to reset the system to clear the alarm and get the system back to its ready state. Remember, it's crucial to understand when and how to use the reset button correctly, as misuse can lead to temporary system downtime, or worse, an unresponsive security system. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the ADT alarm system reset button. This small, often overlooked feature is vital in maintaining the security of your home. Knowing when and how to use it is an essential part of managing your ADT system effectively. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.